this bird. I keep calling you a bird. Don't worry about it. Beat the.
Oh shit!
I know Kung Fu.
No!
Why do I feel sluggish? Oh, that's one for us. Oh, that's one for
One for
Damien.
Damien.
Oh, bird.
Super! Nope.
Get Damien, get down. I don't know why, but get him. I hate plants. Alright, come here, you little fish. I'm gonna eat you now.
Get
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
No.
What's up? Fish. Yeah, knock him. Let go.
Oh! No!
Yeah!
Oh, no!
Oh, you still on? I think I see you.
Yeah,
Get
yeah.
up, you old bastard, my spine!
Oh, I can't see.
Get up.
Uh-oh.
I tried to get you, my bad.
Oh, I'm trying to get
I'm gonna go over here real quick. I kind of blocked you. Okay, and I think, no, I'm still on it.
Oh
Okay.
shit. Nope.
Yeah, you're
No.
right. Yeah, you're right.
I
You
think
come here often?
Damien's dead.
I am
Yeah.
dead.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
No.
Come on, old man body. Oh!
I'm getting squished.
He had his butt scraped.
Did I win?
He
Yeah.
grabbed on the door. I'll chill on the side.
We find to the death of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop turning around, old man. No, run. Damn. I was just tossed you.
Wow, why are you screaming like the monkey that you are, bro?
Whoa.
There's just a monkey under that fucking bottom piece. Oh, you should make a monkey skin. Damn! Damn, you can't even see you. He didn't want anyone to notice you. Back in my
I've
day,
come.
my dad used to bring me here to fuck me.
Oh. Hey, whoa, what?
Go be you
Don't
bird.
you wanna?
That bird you plant.
Alright, that's one for up. And then you can throw him off.
Oh,
Oh, I'm
him.
aware.
Alright. Too old for this.
Oh! Push! Throw him off!
No.
Oh shit. We're all for a game.
Bring me that ass. You look at him.
Wait, was it your third? Why did I get?
Alright, everyone, one at a time, okay? We can all make this. Jacoby, you bird bitch, I'm in play.
No! How did I die first? What?
Get me up! No!
Back right, bitch. I probably not have done that.
Oh. Knock out Damien next.
Oh!
Gonna hit from behind. What are you planting? Trying to get this fish. I'm hungry.
Sit down, Grandpa.
No.
Ah! Oh God!
I'll get you.
Fucking
Let
aliens.
go.
How did I end up here? Did he be like, he's fair game, he's fair game? Damn!
Oh.
Me, you both are fair game, Damien? I think we're all fair game, I don't know. I'm not too sure about Russell.
we are.
Damn!
Oh, well, now I am. Well, there goes Keith. No.
Hey, I'm playing as my character.
Quit running!
I can't grab
Hold
it.
circle,
Oh,
we'll
shit.
lay on him.
Huh?
No.
Damn!
Oh, I
Hold
got-
circle!
Give me that ass. I mean, a pause. Come on! No!
Fucking
Yeah.
finally. I'm good. I'm
No,
good.
you're not.
I'm good.
You're not.
I'm good.
3 game after this one.
Playing bitch. Ah.
2 for Geek.
Yeah.
2 for Damien. Oh shit.
Bring me that ass.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Go down the stairs. Oh no, you were.
Oh.
No, get off!
Just walk in my planted fish. Frontal attack. Yeah. I missed. Fuck. Fuck you.
No!
Be gone.
No!
No, for you, fish. I'm gonna eat you. No, 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 no.
Wait, what?
Not like this. Not like this. No. No, not me. Wait until I get up there. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm
Whoa,
a monkey climbing. Hold up. A little bit of a maneuver here. Hold up. Hold up.
Oh, hi.
Hey! Just gonna alley-oop.
What do you? How did you do that?
You actually did it, huh?
No way. Come here, come here, come here. I'll take you. Please, please, please. Yes, yes. Come on, get him.
No,
Yes.
no, 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 no,
Get
no.
there. God, no way.
They just
10
hit you with
millimeters
that.
of fucking. Oh, now it breaks. Alright. Let me guys show you something we didn't discover last time, right? Or you gotta kill each other. Oh, I was in it for a sec. I forget what button I have to press to get in. Surround town. I don't know why this is useful. Hey, don't touch me. I'm doing construction work. My window, bro.
Oh god! Oh god! No, please!
Yeah, you just keep doing
Oh
the thing.
god! No!
I'm trying to catch you with the ball. Damn. Anyways, come here. Now you ain't leaving this room. Oh, glad. Now you good. Get your ass back in here.
Alright, one more for
Hold up.
me.
Oh.
Two for you. Oh, one more for you.
God.
Yeah. Wax on, wax off. Oh no, fucking
God.
bring me that ass.
No!
Yeah! Look at me.
Get a pony, pick it up, throw it at him. Damn. Damn. Later.
Oh!
I don't know why you went down there.
I threw you down there and I just accidentally came with.
I'm a kung fu master.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Then you just...
Let's fucking go!
I thought I had more time. No, I'm just busting your chops. Like this. I didn't want to drop you. But I'll drop kick you. Touche.
Damien?
I think I heard him get knocked, but I'm probably wrong. No, I was right.
Nope, he's fucking dead.
I challenge you for the crack in this thing. Hold on.
Oh, geez. Oh, God.
Hey, leave for in here. Hey, this is my floor. Oh, for whoop ass. You want to do this, bird? I keep calling you a bird. Don't worry about it. Beat the.
Oh, shit!
Fucking A. Damn you,
Jesus.
This clank gets coming from your big back ass. No, please.
Oh no, it's over, Rust. You're done.
Who's walking up there? God damn.
Optimus Prime?
Oh, Jesus Christ! He hopped out. He hopped out.
That still means I got a chance.
God. Oh, Jesus.
The banging of some robot getting dead down fucking fueled Ross. That was just for my confidence that I don't got. Motherfucker. I wanted to switch clothes,
No.
but this big back ass.
Oh God! Why are we not agreeing?
I need to win. I need to win. I need to win. I'm sorry, Walrus. Oh, what am I? Flipper?
Yes.
Alright, guess I'm going up here. My old man wants alcohol.
Hey.
Sorry, I didn't mean to curb stomp you. Can you go off, please? Sir, 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 please.
No!
Thank you, sir.
Game.
Big enough for the two of us.
You're right.
Return fire! Yeah, that's how I do it back in the North Pole. Secret's like Santa.
Alright, Santa.
God damn it! Okay, hold up. Get him out of the water. You bitch!
He's free. That's fine. I'm coming for your bat. I mean,
What?
Ah, no! I thought I knocked myself out.
I have one more.
Ooh, dodge.
Oh damn! I'm free game master.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Come on, Johnny! I don't know how.
Bro, I was literally grabbing on, and he just kept throwing me off.
Backstroke.
Oh shit!
Oh, God. Do I have like only 50 health with this old bastard? Come on. Oh, give me 1 second, trying to back that ass up. All right, I'm good.
Ah shit!
Oh Jesus, he grabbed you by your scalp.
Oh, it's like, come on.
Bro is literally definition of 1 HP.
The crinkles are showing.